Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying which nursing category fits your education and goals. This determines the regulator and exams. Once done, order official transcripts and an education assessment immediately because processing takes weeks. You must also book and prepare language testing. Make sure to score the regulator minimums. At the same time, gather ID, immunization records, and reference letters from clinical supervisors. These first actions open your file with the college and keep momentum while you prepare exams and bridging options. You apply to the provincial college with assessed credentials and language scores, then wait for an eligibility letter. Don't pause, use that time to study. Once eligible, register for the NCLEX-RN or the province's competency exam and schedule focused review, practice questions, simulation labs, and a prep course speed readiness. If the regulator identifies gaps, enroll in a bridging program or supervised practice to meet clinical requirements. Throughout, track deadlines, fees, and required police checks to avoid delays. You finalize by completing supervised practice if required, then confirm exam results and pay registration fees to receive your license. Once licensed, prepare a Canadian-style resume and references, secure a vulnerable sector check, and apply to jobs or graduate programs. Prioritize employers offering orientation and mentorship. If something goes wrong, missing documents, failed exam, or delayed credentialing, immediately request remediation options, appeal timelines, or supervised practice from the regulator, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.